Hello everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this tutorial, that is how to edit PDF documents without using any external software. As you can see them here, there is this PDF document that talks about the mental health and its importance. I downloaded it from official website of World Health Organization. So as you can see them here, if I try to edit any of this content, I'm unable to do that because this is a PDF document. Now I'm going to teach you how to edit this document without using any external software using a simple trick. So for the same, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type word here in my search bar. When you type the word, it's going to open this page for you. So do not click the blank document here. Instead, you go to the place where you have your PDF file. Just drag and drop the PDF file here in the Word document. It will take few seconds. Basically, it depends on the size of the PDF file. As you can see them here, now I have managed to open my PDF file in a Word document. Now, if you wanted to edit, you can able to edit. You see, even if you wanted to delete this image, yes, I can able to do that. You can do anything. Like let's say I want to delete this image, yes, I can able to do that. Let's say I want to change this title from introduction to hello guys, I can able to do that. In the same way, you can edit any PDF document that you have. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. For more tutorial videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the beginner's guide. Thank you.